Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to fix the website not secure error in GoDaddy Website Builder 2026. Seeing the no secure next to your website URL, that's a trust killer. But the fix is simple. In 2026, every website must have SSL, and if your GoDaddy site shows not secure, it usually means the SSL is disabled, still activating or misconfigured. So let's fix it properly. The first thing you want to do is to go to the GoDaddy website and make sure to log in using your Google account or your Facebook account. After that, we're gonna open the website builder by clicking on the website here from your dashboard, and then you're gonna click on edit website. Once you click on edit website, here you're gonna go and access the settings of your website. You're gonna click on the gear icon here, and then you're gonna click on the privacy or the security. You're gonna look for the informations about the security, and after that you're gonna enable the SSL or HTTPS, and also click force HTTPS. Then you're gonna republish your website and make sure to clear the browser's cache. Now the SSL activation can take 1 to 2 hours, so don't panic if the SSL doesn't activate instantly, and avoid all HTTP links, and always republish after changes. And in the end, you can test your website in incognito mode by copying the website and pasting it in a new page in incognito mode to test the website as a new website visitor. And that's it. Your site should now show the secure lock icon. And that's it for today's tutorial. If you liked this video and found it helpful, please like and subscribe, and leave a comment below the video if you have further more questions about this topic. Thanks for watching, and see you again in the next tutorial.